Hello, so I'm just going to show you how to play the tens frame game, and I'm holding the camera by hand, so if it's a bit wobbly I apologise, I need to sort out a stand. So you need a set of tens frames, so these are literally, as you can see, rectangles that are divided into 10, so you've got 2 rows of 5. Now for the purpose of this I'm just going to demonstrate with 3. So you've got to imagine there are 2 people playing. So the aim is to claim as many of these frames as you can. So I'll just play it and show you what happens. So the first person will roll the die and get a 2. So they take 2 counters and they literally put them in a tens frame anywhere. So we always fill the frames from left to right, across the top and then across the bottom. So I could put 2 counters in there, and then you might say something like, that was 2 counters, so there are 8 left. So we're trying to get these numbers without actually counting the squares. I put 2 in, so there are 8 left to make 10. And then the second person goes and they get 1. So they can put their 1 wherever they like. And in this case, I think I'm going to put it there. So now I'll say there were 2. I added 1, so there are now 3. And then something like maybe, so 10, take away 3, leave 7. So we're just trying to get all the language in. So someone's got a 6. Right, so now if I put 6 here, there'll be 1 left, which means someone can then finish that frame. Well, I want it to be me to finish the frame, so what I'm going to do, actually it doesn't matter, because I've got 6, I'm going to put them in a new frame. But someone could now finish this frame. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can see there's 5 across, and 1 more makes 6. So again, we might say, I filled in 6, so there are 4 left to make 10. And then the next person goes. So they get a 6. So I could put it in there. I can't put it in here because it won't fit. Okay, there's only space for 4. So I get my 6 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this time I think I'll put them in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in this case, I filled 9, so there is 1 left to make 10. Or I could say 10, take away 9, leaves 1. And then we roll again, so this person's got a 5. So now they can't put it in there, they can't put it in there, so they have to fill this one up. And I might say something like, so there's 5, and 5 more would make 10. Right. Oh. So that's 3, so where can I put my 3? So this would be the next person. I'm going to put it there, 1, 2, 3, and this time I might say something like 5 plus another 3 is 8. 5, so if this was all the frames we had, this person couldn't go, so the next person would roll. 3, so the only place this person can put 3 is in this middle box. 1, 2, 3. So again, I might say there were 6, I added 3 more to make 9, or 10, take away this one to go, means I filled 9. 4, that person can't go, I'm going to have to cheat, Oh, someone rolls a 2, so they get 2, and look, they can fill this square, so 8 plus another 2 makes 10. This is then their square, okay? So we'd make a mark that this was theirs. So they've got 1, the other person's got none. So, there you go. The second person then goes and they add 1 more to this 9 to make 10, so they've got that square. So then it's going to be a case of who gets the next 1 to fill this square. So you can play with as many squares as you like. I suggest 5 maybe. If you've got 2 sets of 3 frames, you could play with 6, and then the first person to get 3 frames could be the winner. So I hope that makes it a bit clearer.